Greetings, this tutorial will be dedicated to the introduction of an essay. And I like to grade paragraph by paragraph whenever I do grade essays, so that way I can give a focused account of the student's writing and then some very focused feedback. So we have an essay checklist right here, and it goes through the basic essay organization, and then we look at the introduction, body paragraphs, the opposing view or counter argument, and then of course the conclusion. Some transition words to look for. I provide my students with this checklist so that way they can have a focused understanding of their writing paragraph by paragraph. So let's take a look at this student sample. For an informative essay, we have a student's name, the professor's name, course name, and then the date. It's not specifically an MLA format right now, but that's something we can tweak as we revise and edit. So for our informative essay, one person can make a difference and everyone should try, John F. Kennedy. It's easy to believe that amongst 8 billion people, we are all nothing but a speck in the vast majority. However, in Self-Reliance, Ralph Waldo Emerson urges his audience to follow their individual instead of conforming to the norm. He encourages by stating, do not go where the path may lead, go instead where there is no path and leave a trail. This quote in particular really strikes motivation into people's hearts to be the change they want in this world. One person can defend the human rights of all people by advocating for change and providing aid in times of need. Now you can see right here, I color code everything, and this is to differentiate what each element is representing. So this blue is color coded as a hook. The green is some of the background information that makes sense of this quote, and then segues into the thesis statement, which is one person can defend the human rights of all people. Now this purple, advocating for change and providing aid in times of need, this indicates this is going to be the focus of our conversation in the form of body paragraph number 1 and then body paragraph number 2. So when we look at our essay checkoff list, we can, as a teacher, as we grade, we can say, okay, I see that we have a hook, we have some background information, and we have the thesis statement. Check. And then let me clear this. And if we move up right here, here we go, that's a little better. So we have the hook, we have the background information, we have a thesis statement, and then we have the supporting arguments listed. So I can ask my students, what's going to be the focus of your conversation for body paragraph number 1? And they can tell me because they've highlighted their focus in that purple. So this becomes a very clear and methodical way of approaching essay writing, where they know, yeah, it's a formula. Yeah, definitely it's a formula. But it doesn't mean that it inhibits creativity. It means that it gives students guidance. I hope this tutorial makes sense and gives you an opportunity to maybe organize your writing and or assist your students in organize the writing. You guys have a wonderful day.